Alright folks, here's the follow-up to my triple threat quads. Again, I have the Blue Thunder here. This is the new, rebuilt, new body, modified X8. And here is the, what I call the Raiders, the silver and black. This is the X5Sc. So is this one, the X5Sc. Also SC again, enhanced version. And then now the new beefed up X8 with the new upgraded motors, and one controller, watch, controls all three. Makes it hard to fly, but just to show you, one controller does control all three. Now my question for this would be, when you're out flying these and somebody has the same quad with the same controllers, I would venture to say that they most likely can control your quad. Well, I'll get around to testing that down the road, and I'll share that with you. Repainted, transferred over the interior wiring and receiver board, put new motors, new blades, and tested it this morning. I'll have a follow-up video on it. And this baby flies like new again now with the, if anybody remembers Speed Racer and his brother X, that's what this quad is all about.